So the reactivity, it is like reactivity metals can display less reactive metals from their compound in solution or molten form. We have seen in the previous section that all metals are not equally reactive. We checked the reactivity of various metals with oxygen, water and acid. Can all react the same? No, do not react with these reagents. So we are not able to put all the metal samples we have collected in decreasing order of their reactivity. But here we can give, it is a simple and easy. If metal A displaces metal B from its solution, it is more reactive than B. Means metal A plus salt solution of B gives you salt solution of A plus metal B. Means B is more reactive than the A. How to remember this? Now I have written here the series of these metals, okay, which are very reactivity. That is potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, ferrous, lead. H is hydrogen, copper, Hg is mercury, then Ag is silver, Au is gold. This how to memorize. There is a easy way to memorize. It is known as mnemonics. Now what it says here is Katrina ne car manga alto, Zen Ferrari, फिर भी क्यों मिली silver Audi. If you learn this statement, it will be easy to memorize this one. How? This Katrina stands for K. K is potassium. Then Ne is Na, that will stand for sodium. Car, Ca. Ca stands for calcium. Manga, Mg we will take from manga, that is magnesium. Then Alto, Al, that is aluminium. Then Zen, that is Zn, zinc. Ferrari we will take Fe, that is ferrous. Here B we will take P and B, that is lead. Q, Cu, copper. Milli is mercury. This M stands for mercury. It is Hg. Then silver. Silver is Ag. Audi is Au is nothing but gold. So if you remember this statement, it is very easy. Which metal is more reactive and which is less reactive. The metal which is more reactive will not react with the less reactive metals. As I said you here, hydrogen will react with zinc, aluminium and all, but it will not react with copper, mercury and silver here. Understood? Is it clear? Okay.